What if I told you the era of expensive VTubing is officially over? Better yet, what if I told you that you could stream directly from your phone and actually make a living without spending a dime out of your own pocket? Don't believe me? Look at this.
Your food down? Yeah, not with you around. No, you around, you freak.
This is me, Suitoin, back in 2025 when I first debuted on this app. It looks professional, right? But here's the secret. I didn't have a $2,000 PC or $500 rigging. This was all native to an app that is completely changing the game right now. And if you ever felt like you were too late to the party because you don't have the gear, this video is for you. By the end of this, you won't have a single excuse left to keep you from starting today. So grab some snacks and a light beverage, preferably some Suitoin cookies and slime mail, and prepare for today's episode of Guild Talk. So what exactly is IRIAM? Think of it as the fast travel point of VTubing. Normally, to become a VTuber, you need a character, a rigger, a gaming PC, and a high-end webcam just to track your blinks. But IRIAM, they use something called motion live technology. You literally take one single drawing, a flat PNG for example, upload it, and the app's AI handles the rigging for you. It tracks your face through your phone camera and makes your character move, talk, and blink in real time. It's basically magic for your wallet. It's mobile friendly, meaning you can stream from your couch, your desk, or even while you're out on a quest in the real world. No wires, no lag, just you and your avatar. Now, why is this a game changer for 2026? Because Twitch and YouTube are like high-level raids. If you go in at level 1, you're probably going to get wiped. But IRIAM just expanded heavily into the North American and Canadian markets. The secret sauce here is the zero latency interaction. Unlike Twitch, where there's a 3 to 5 second delay, IRIAM is instant. You say hello, and the viewer hears it the millisecond it leaves your mouth. That creates a tight-knit community energy that's hard to find anywhere else. Plus, the app has built-in debut events, specifically designed to push new streamers to the front page. They want you to succeed because they want the platform to grow. But look, every adventurer needs to know the layout of the dungeon before they decide if it's worth raiding or not. So I made a list of the specific quests, pros, and cons. The pros: zero barrier to entry. If you have a phone and a drawing, you're a VTuber, period. This is what makes IRIAM so powerful. You don't need a fancy setup to start, nor are you competing with those who do. Insane engagement. You aren't screaming into the void, people actually show up. IRIAM has a vibrant community that loves supporting new debuts, and this gives you a jumpstart into engagement that you normally wouldn't have on sites like YouTube or Twitch. And if you want the full map on what to do before you debut, hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping the IRIAM debut 101 scroll soon, and you don't want to miss the loot in that one. The community. Since it's newer in the West, the gatekeeping is basically non-existent. There are a ton of new friends to be made that'll share tips and tricks to newbies on the platform, like me. And since most people are using it as a just chatting platform, you can develop your own interesting content to make people come back. And I've run a ton of niche guild raids on IRIAM, from freestyle sessions to lore drops. So if you need a spark for your own debut, drop a comment below and let's brainstorm your first big hit. Now here's some cons. Vertical only. You're stuck in a portrait mode box. If you want to play Apex or Roblox on stream, it's going to look weird. Mainly for the fact that they won't see what you're doing. Mobile limitations. You can't run fancy OBS overlays or complex soundboards like you would on a PC stream. This means your performance is highly dependent on your voice and audio quality. Since you can't hide behind a flashy 3D environment, your mic is your primary weapon. We'll talk more about mobile audio builds in another video. Niche audience. It's a just chatting gold mine, but if your goal is to be a professional esports pro or provide high quality ASMR, this might not be your main hub. Think of it as the ultimate Tavern Hangout. People are there to chill, work, or commute while you provide the vibes. It's like that just chatting intro VTubers do, but the tavern door stays open for the whole 3-hour session. So is IRIAM the next best platform for you? If you're sitting there with a dream but a $0 budget, yes. Stop making excuses and start leveling up your community there. If you're a veteran streamer looking for a way to connect more personally with your fans while you're away from your PC, also yes. But if you're looking to do high production AAA gaming marathons, use IRIAM as a side quest to build your brand while you save up for that $2,000 rig. At the end of the day, the best platform is whichever one gets you to press that start stream button. So what's stopping you? The era of expensive VTubing is over. The gate is open. And before you head out on your own journey, I've got one last piece of loot for you. If you're serious about making a name for yourself on IRIAM, keep an eye on your notifications. My next scroll, IRIAM Debut 101, Everything I Wish I Knew, is dropping soon. It's going to cover the secret tactics to hitting your goals in the first week without any stress. If you're feeling stuck in your character concept, drop a comment below. I'll be down there personally helping you brainstorm your build. The tavern doors are closing for now, but your quest is just beginning. And remember, there's a capable adventurer within all of us. All you need to do is stay humble, positive, and open to new opportunities. See you on the next adventure together. Suitoin is signing out.